Let's talk how to do stair nosing from hardwood flooring boards and why it's so good.
Square nosing you can make from same material what you're gonna install it. No any trouble with color, dimension of this nosing, because sometimes when you come to the end and you need to install nosing, you have some little space and you need to put some little piece on front of this wood and then install nosing. So it looks not really good. But if you do by yourself this nosing, you can make any white. If for example you make it 3.5, but you need a little bit extra, you can make another nosing, for example 4.5. And I will show you how to do it. Another thing, you can make nosing with groove, and you can make nosing with tongue. Depends how the material come to, or if you want to start from nosing, the best way if you make nosing with tongue and then start installation. Connect the floor with nosing and go install the floor. If you just start from one wall and come to the stairs, when you come to the stairs, you have last board with tongue and you can make nosing with groove. So go ahead. Now we can start making nosing. Here is 7.5 board. First of all we have to measure. So top of nosing should be, for example, 2.5 plus inch and a quarter for nose. It should be 3 and 3/4. So we can measure 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4. Right here. So it should be nose. This material 5/8. So for front of this nosing I need inch and a quarter. So first of all, because 5/8 and 5/8 inch and a quarter. So for now I wanna cut this edge with 45 degree, and then I will measure inch and a quarter. I'll do it now. So I'll measure inch and a quarter. It's gonna be front of the nose. Okay. First of all, I cut one side 45 and then I cut another side. And last piece what I want to cut, it should be bottom. Bottom is gonna be inch and a quarter too. But one side 45, another side is straight. So go. Inch and a quarter. Now we have 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So, this is the front. This is the bottom. Here is nose. And many of you asked me, hey, in my previous video, are you leaving this edge so sharp? It's danger. Yes, of course. When it's glued and nailed, when it's dry, it need to sand it and make it bevel. I'll show you how it looks like. This is already I installed this stairs and just some pieces left. Look, here is we made bevel and then painted. It's not reasonable to do so big bevel. I'll show you. I am doing this, some little. Just it's not should be sharp. And then I put some Stair. Here is then 3 pieces of nosing. 1 piece, another piece. I already put glue here. If it's more glue, don't worry, it's fine. Put pins. And you see now this side is very sharp. Of course, like this nosing, no reason to install it. Need to make little bevel here to avoid any injuries. So another side need to glue this. Good. And then attach it. Так, so we have nailed. This is good enough. So now we have to let it dry, put it on the side. I want to show you the next step. You can use any tools that you have, some paper, and don't forget this, and glue it. Now it's nice, not sharp. So now we have, it's not sharp, it's with little bevel, and we remove finish when we sand it. Remove finish and stay. So now we have to, and we have here, sometimes we have here some little gap filler. You can buy it in Home Depot. It's natural color, little yellow, and exactly fit to this color of wood, and it not be visible, just not rush. And last, what we have to do, need to put finish. Just take the pencil and paint this edge. Okay, it's getting dry. That's it. So when it's completely dry, this nosing will be ready for installation. For example, sorry I don't have big piece. We have floor here, and we just connect with nosing. This is called square nosing.
I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.